MHC Kenworth, Denver, Colorado. The world's best in new and used trucks. Here's a beautiful 2018 Kenworth T680, a 455 horsepower, 13-speed, 76-inch mid-roof sleeper. It sits at 480,000 on the miles, super clean with a fresh DOT. This truck's got 12K fronts, 40K rears, and a 244-inch wheelbase. Your tires, 22.5 LPs, polished up for you with a 135 and a 90-gallon fuel tank. Here's your engine, a PACCAR MX-13 with that Fuller 13-speed transmission. Let's go inside to an interior that looks untouched. Your sleeper does the job, and your dash looks great. It's got everything. If you want this truck, a 2018 Kenworth T680, call MHC Denver at 888-592-4070.